Rescuers still search for survivors as Haiti's earthquake death tolls now climb to 1,297. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and I'll be right back with the details to come. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember just to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with the latest report. We'll be right back. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Officials in Haiti have confirmed at least 1,297 people have died after a massive 7.2 magnitude earthquake hit the Caribbean nation on Saturday. Rescuers are still picking through the rubble in a desperate search for survivors. Homes, churches, and schools were among buildings that were flattered in the quake. Some hospitals were left overwhelmed and in need of dire supplies. An unknown number of people are missing and about 5,700 have been injured, officials have stated. The disaster compounds problem facing the impoverished nation, which is already reeling from a political crisis following the assassination of its president last month. The southwest of Haiti appears to have suffered the worst damage, especially around the city of Les Cayes. Footage on social media showed residents desperately trying to pull victims from the rubble, as many are still trapped on the buildings from Saturday. The epicenter of Saturday's quake was about 12 kilometers or 7.5 miles from the town center of St. Louis the Sud, the U.S. Geographical Survey said, but the tremor could be felt in densely populated areas such as the capital, Port-au-Prince, and in many neighboring countries such as Jamaica. The current Prime Minister of Haiti, Mr. Ariel Henry, has declared 1-month state of public emergency and urged the population to show solidarity to others. In the most interim, rescuers are just trying to pull people from the rubble and try to see how best they can find any survivors that have been trapped from Saturday's massive 7.2 magnitude earthquake. This is Links 007 TV, and we'll continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.